Hello gorgeous people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox two beauty boxes from OK Beauty. The first box is the Female Founders Edit box and the second box is a mystery box. Everything I know about this mystery box is that worth over £130 and I paid for it only £12.50. From the beginning I want to apologize, the light is not great, I only film in the daylight and today we have a cloudy day, so the light will go up and down. Definitely we will see the products, only that some of them in a brighter light and some of the products in a darker light. That being said, it's time to move to the first box. It's called the Female Founders Edit box, is retailed for £55. I paid only £30 because I had VIP access to this box. What else I want to mention is that this beauty box worth over £275. Okay guys, let's discover the products. The first two products are from the same brand, Sensory Retreats. Here we have Divine Eyes Self-Heating Eye Mask with lavender scent. This eye mask is designed to help you to escape in the moment an experience of heavenly relaxation. Tension magically melts away. And the second mask is Divine Glow Self-Heating Face Mask, designed to help boost your regular skincare routine by bringing the benefits of a professional spa experience into your home. The third product from the beauty box is from a brand that I don't know, is called Me Feature Length Lash Lover Mascara. Unleash your lashes' true potential with this super lengthening and volumizing mascara. Enriched with coconut oil and aloe vera, a perfectly balanced formula combines a flexible film and tiny fibers for soft, comfortable lashes all day long. See visible length after just one stroke. Product number 4 is from a brand that I know well, is from Emma Hardy, is the Moringa Cleansing Balm. Deeply cleanses the skin, minimizes the appearance of open pores, rebalances and hydrates, moisturizes and conditions all skin types. Number 5 is a product from New Home Organics London, Perfect Night Sleep Pillow Mist. Has been specially formulated with natural fragrance which not only smells wonderful but also has a relaxing effect on the mind and the body. Product number 6 is from the brand Rodial Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum Lift and Illuminate. A radiance face serum for an immediate lift effect, even skin tone and luminosity, with skin tightening enzymes, vitamin C and diamond powder. Skin lifting enzymes provide immediate anti-gravity effect, diamond powder reflects light for a naturally radiant skin, and vitamin C helps improve skin's elasticity. This product made me curious, I will see what it can do. The 7th product is from Balance Me, BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. Is a salicylic acid leave-on exfoliant created to help gently remove dead skin cells, reduce blemishes, target enlarged pores and improve hydration to reveal a softer, brighter, more youthful looking complexion. Next product from the beauty box is from a brand that I don't know how to spell it, Bouclem, I hope I spell it right, Hydrating Hair Cleanser. Harnessing the power of plants to create an effective range of curl care using naturally derived ingredients and natural fragrances. And this is a product that I will love to try. Next we find a product from Dr. Pau Pau Overnight Lip Mask, Softening, Smoothing and Plumping Lip Mask with 99% natural ingredients. Designed for treating lips during the day or for a luxurious night mask. Another product that I will like to use. I have very dry lips, so I adore lip mask and lip balms. The next product from the beauty box is a fragrance from Floral Street, Sunflower Pop Eau de Parfum. is a citrus fruity fragrance. I had it in the past and now how it smells is a bit too strong for what I like. Floral Street is a great brand. Their perfumes are vegan and cruelty-free. They use sustainable sourced ingredients. Only good things about this brand. Let's move to the next product from the box. Is from Child Farm, Calming Massage Lotion with lavender and moon milk. Suitable for newborn and upwards. Is vegan and cruelty-free. I used this brand for my little ones when they were small. It was gentle with a baby skin, a very nice brand. And the last product from the beauty box is a makeup brush from Nire Beauty. It's a dual-ended brow brush. This is how it looks. On one side we have a spoolie and on the other side we have an angled brush. And this brand is a new brand for me, never heard about it. Okay guys, these were the products from the Female Founders Edit box. Now let's move to the mystery box. I hope we will find great products inside. And the first product from the box is an eye mask from Beauty Pro, Warming Eye Mask. This clever single-use eye mask gently warms up, creating a soothing sensation. The warmth combined with a subtle chamomile scent will help you to relax and unwind. It's also helped to soothe headaches and tired eyes. The second product from the box is from So Eco Lash Curler. A quick and easy way to instantly open up the eye. This rose gold tool will be a chic addition to any makeup bag. The third product from the beauty box is from Ameliorate, Nourishing Body Wash, specialist skincare for bumpy skin, very dry skin, dehydrated skin, and rough skin. The lactic acid complex gives a very gentle exfoliating action, while also keeping skin feeling hydrated for up to 8 hours. Next we find a product from Doctor's Formula, Photo Face. Photo finish effect in a flash minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines and uneven skin texture, helps to lock in moisture and keep makeup in place. Silicone particles and the lightweight formula help to blur enlarged pores, fine lines and uneven texture. Skin is left looking super smooth and ready for its close-up. As I understand, this is a silicone-based face primer and I am not super excited about it. I try to keep myself away from this kind of products. And the last product from the box is from Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. This rich cream is made with 96% natural ingredients such as lemongrass, coconut and almond oil and has many uses from moisturizing to cleansing the face. Okay, beautiful people, this is the products from the mystery box and from the Female Founders Edit box. What do you think, guys? Which is your favorite box? In my opinion, the best is the Female Founders Edit box. I find the content of this box great. About the mystery box, I cannot say the same things. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!